Battery storage systems, power conditioning equipment, and many industrial automation applications work with high currents and need reliable, high-performing connections to be made in tight spaces. Molex SW1 wire-to-board and wire-to-busbar interconnects, available from Mouser Electronics, utilize Molex's proven COEUR socket technology to enable higher current carrying capacity in mated interconnects that are lower profile, narrower, and shorter length than competing solutions, making them ideal for tight spaces. The interconnects are offered in 6, 8, and 11 mm sizes with current ratings up to 300 amps. Molex SW1 interconnects feature a unique positive locking design that allows for 360-degree rotation. This ensures secure mating and minimizes stress on solder joints. The COEUR conical socket's multiple contact beams provide low contact resistance and voltage drop, improving efficiency and reducing heat generation.